In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Workday to Smartsheet using an integration tool. If you want to automatically send information from Workday into Smartsheet, the first thing to do is make sure your Smartsheet plan actually supports advanced integrations or third-party automation tools. This is important because some plan types include more connection options than others. Taking a moment to confirm that now can save you time later and help you avoid setup issues once you begin building the workflow. Once you've confirmed that your plan supports integrations, open the connector platform you want to use. This could be Unite, Zapier, Make, or another automation tool that supports both platforms. The exact layout may look a little different depending on which service you choose, but the overall process is very similar. You'll be creating a workflow that listens for a change in Workday and then sends that information into Smartsheet. Inside the integration tool, search for Smartsheet and select it as one of the apps in your workflow. After that, search for Workday and choose it as the other app. At this stage, you are simply defining the two systems that will communicate with each other. Make sure you select the correct apps so the workflow is built in the right direction. Next, choose the trigger event on the Workday side. This is the event that tells the automation when to run. For example, you might use a new Workday record or updated employee data as the trigger. In simple terms, this means the workflow will start whenever that type of change happens in Workday. Choosing the right trigger is important because it determines what information gets passed along and when. After that, choose the action for Smartsheet. A common option is to add a new row or update an existing row. This tells Smartsheet what to do with the incoming Workday data. If your goal is to track new records, adding rows may make the most sense. If you want to keep existing information current, updating rows may be the better choice. Once everything is set up, test the workflow. This step helps you confirm that the connection is working properly and that the data is flowing as expected. Run the test and then check Smartsheet carefully to make sure the Workday information appears in the right place. If the data shows up correctly, your integration is working and ready to use. That's the full process for connecting Workday to Smartsheet with an automation tool.